Amazon, Nasdaq AMZN. There may not be a company that embodies the starter spirit better than Amazon.com. Amazon has long been a big winner, and it's much bigger now than when we first recommended it in 2013, so big, in fact, that politicians are starting to ask if it should be stopped. But Amazon CEO and founder Jeff Bezos fostered an entrepreneurial culture and customer-centric mindset that produced a growth trail that had not been measured for years, but decades. From the cloud computing behind Amazon Web Services to the necessary Amazon Prime customer service to potential expansions in healthcare, cashierless stores, and more, this is an innovator who has yet to run out of exciting ideas. According to financial data released by the company, Amazon's revenues grew 37.62% in 2020 compared to the fiscal year 2019, posting earnings of $386.06 billion. Net profit grew by 84.08% to $21.33 billion. Thanks to cost containment, Amazon achieved record profits for the fourth quarter in a row, reaching $7.22 billion. These are also doubled compared to the $3.6 billion recorded in the same period of 2018. Earnings per share also more than doubled from $6.47 a year earlier to $14.09 today. Now tell me, how is it possible that a company with a market capitalization of $1.7 trillion increases its revenue so much? In the specific case of Amazon, by getting more out of its e-commerce businesses and expanding into related businesses. In fact, as you may have seen, the economic crisis due to the COVID-19 pandemic has put a strain on all the world's stock exchanges, with catastrophic losses for many stocks. However, Amazon has done very well with its activities, managing to almost double its share value. In autumn 2019, in fact, every single Amazon share was trading around $1,800. With the beginning of the pandemic, the value fell below $1,700, but in the following months, its price had a surge that led the stock to reach unthinkable heights until a year ago. On September 2, 2020, Amazon shares reached their all-time high, so far, with $3,531 at closing. In the following months, we had some retreat, which however never went below $2,950, September 18, 2020. While, several times, the Amazon stock has exceeded the threshold of $3,200, with peaks of $3,443, October 12, 2020, and $3,380, February 2, 2020. But what happened? Consumer habits have simply changed, adapting to the restrictions imposed to limit the spread of the pandemic. So if leaving home was problematic, we arranged to shop more online, and you know how much stuff is on Amazon. In addition, having to spend more time at home, many have decided to subscribe to on-demand streaming content. As you can see, these are always services offered by Amazon. Greetings.